long as I don't get stuck.
Oh.
Oh no.
As long as I don't get stuck, oh no.
You're gonna have to just go right in.
I don't know about that one.
Fast.
Fast.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, this is how things happen.
Yeah. Precisely how bad things happen.
ABS.
Yep. I'm stuck.
I am recording.
So am I. So slow.
Ooh.
I love it.
What happens if we break the U-joints in here?
Oh, go.
I don't know if I want to do that or not.
Speed.
Now, if we got stuck here, we're really stuck.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's do it. Back up and get some speed.
Yeah,
Or go slow and get stuck.
Oh, that one's nice.
Yeah, I don't want to go through that one.
No.
oh, there's smoke coming everywhere.
It's hitting the exhaust. It's just steam.
Probably.
Probably.
I don't know, that one part looks pretty bad. Back there.
This is where you need an old clunker. Just to
Like
beat
the
up.
old sidekick.
Yes. Just to beat the fuck out of it.
I like all the shit back here.
Well, this one looks a little interesting. See if we can go slow.
Could you imagine that? Ooh, looks like someone tried that one.
It looks like lots of people tried that one.
I want to know how it ended up. Oh yeah! Oh, you did it! Do it! Get some speed!
Oh, that was good. That was good.
I want to go over that too, but I don't know.
Go on the other side to see what's under it.
Yeah, you don't want to get over that one and then hit something.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna go back over that one again. That's pretty fun.
Alright.
Holy, that actually looks pretty steep.
Well, that was steep.
That was fun. I say go through that one just for the hell of it.
Right through the middle? No.
Back over again. Oh no.
Oh, we're getting stuck.
Oh, the stupid shit we do.
Yeah, what was that? Hey, we went through that.
Run there.
Roughly.
Are you gonna go up that one?
How's that?
What is it?
Is that a tail light?
That is
That
a
is my
coffee
maker. I just got the coffee maker.
You going through that one? No?
No, that one looks too deep. We're going up that hill again. Oh, here we go. You wouldn't expect.
Jump it!
Woo! Oh, that was not as good.
No.
Who the hell's over here?
Looks like it would scrape.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
That's not bad at all. I would say jump it that way. isn't even Brad's car. We got to remember that.
I know.
Alright, I think that's enough for now.
Oh.
See if we can get. I don't even think we'd be able to get out that way.
No.
Yeah. We did last time.
And four wheel. With.
There wasn't all that mud though.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Brad's reversing skills.
That takes
Floor it
skill.
over this. Not just floor it.
Just, yeah.
Oh, come on. That's so much fun.
Brad clearly thinks differently than me and Jeremy do.
Definitely.
Oh, this one's good.
I gotta get Graham back.
Oh,
That'd be intense.
oh, his truck
Oh,
would.
dear God. You do know what
That's a cliff. That's a cliff. Stop!
Okay.
Alright, go.
Are you still recording on this one? Beautiful.
I don't know.
Do it. Just do it. You can't
Just
do it
do
slow.
it. Beautiful. Oh, Jeremy's getting paranoid now.
Oh, I'm sorry. We're close to the road.
We're on private
well,
property, though. They can't find us for seatbelts. They'll find us for trespassing.
And then no seatbelts. All right. This is watch your head, by the way. I hit my head off. Oh yeah! Oh, that was good.
That was
I
intense.
say you can make it to that one, definitely.
With speed, though, Brad. With
this time.
speed.
Not puny. Yeah. Ready? Oh, dear God.
Yeah, this way. I gotta go slow over this one. Compared to what happened last
Oh, you
time.
almost hit the tree.
Whoa. Big drop.
You had to go slow. Thud! Oh! That was good for it.